Results from the largest prospective study of its kind indicate that in the initial days and weeks after experiencing trauma, individuals facing potentially threatening situations who had less activity in their hippocampus, a brain structure critical for forming memories of situations that are dangerous. This association between reduced hippocampal activity and risk of PTSD was particularly strong in individuals who had greater involuntary defensive reactions to being startled. This research, published in the J Neurosci, suggests that individuals with greater defensive reactions to potentially threatening events might have a harder time learning whether an event is dangerous or safe. These findings are important both to identify specific brain responses associated with vulnerability to develop PTSD, and to identify potential treatments focused on memory processes for these individuals to prevent or treat PTSD, said senior author Vishnu Murthy, Ph.D., Assistant Professor of Psych. This research is part of the National Advancing Understanding of Recovery After Trauma, Aurora, study, a multi-institution project funded by the National Institutes of Health, nonprofit funding organizations such as One Mind, and partnerships with leading tech companies. Aurora allows researchers to leverage data from patient participants who enter emergency departments at hospitals across the country after experiencing trauma, such as car accidents or other serious incidents. The ultimate goal of Aurora is to spur on the development and testing of preventive and treatment interventions for individuals who have experienced traumatic events. In these individuals, greater defensive reactions to threats may bias them against learning information about what is happening so that they can discern what is safe and what is dangerous, said Bushra Tanraverdi, the lead researcher on the study and graduate student at Temple. These findings highlight an important PTSD biomarker focused on how people form and retrieve memories after trauma. These latest findings add to our list of Aurora discoveries that are helping us understand the differences between individuals who go on to develop post-traumatic stress disorder and studies focusing on the early aftermath of trauma are critical because we need a better understanding of how PTSD develops so we can prevent PTSD and best treat PTSD. Since initiating our financial support of the Aurora study in 2016, we remain steadfast in our commitment to helping Aurora Invis make a difference. Sponsored Opportunity Story Source. Materials provided by University of North Carolina Healthcare. Note: content may be edited for style and length. 2022, July 26. Specific brain responses to traumatic stress linked to PTSD risk. Science Daily. Retrieved July 26, 2022 from ift.tt/FGR6KMT University of North Carolina Healthcare. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.